Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to activate your company file and link it to the ABSS Connect web portal. First, on the navigation bar, click Help, then select Activate Company File from the drop-down menu. Choose I want to activate my company file online and click Continue. Make sure your serial number is displayed correctly, then click Continue to complete the activation process. Next, link your data file to the web portal. On the navigation bar, click Setup and select Company Information from the drop-down menu. Click the Connect button, and you'll be prompted to enter your ABSS Connect web portal login details. Once entered, click Login to finalize the link between your local company file and the web portal. Upon successful linking, you'll see a message saying, "Successfully registered the company." This confirms that your data file is now connected and synchronized with the web portal. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.